Namaste. I am Chef Salokkumar from Golden Landmark Resort, Mysore. I am really thankful for our management and as well as Amul management. We are going to do today that baby can paneer atom bomb and one more dish also, that sizzling cheesy carrot wraps. So now we will go through the recipe, whichever recipes we are going to use for that two dishes. Good evening to all. So today we are going to see midnight snacks. Now we will see from the Amul product we are going to use that Amul butter and Amul paneer and Amul cheese we are going to use. And apart from that, for that ingredients we will see that breadcrumbs and boiled aloo and corn flour and maida and atta, and within that sauce for that cheesy carrot wraps and carrot juice also for that dough carrot wraps ke liye, and color peppers, tray color peppers, that yellow capsicum, ginger and red capsicum, green capsicum and onion, chopped garlic and chopped coriander and chopped chili and grated paneer and grated Amul cheese and roasted jeera powder and crushed peppercorn and chaat masala and garam masala and turmeric powder and salt. And within that we are going to do the plating for that sizzling carrot wraps, and then we will do that paneer babycon atom bomb also. These are all things I get ready. This is the carvings I done. So with the leafy and everything. Okay, now we will take the bowl. So now we are going to prepare the dish. Take it out. It will be visible for you all. Now we will do the paneer babycon atom bomb mixing. Yes, now we will do the paneer babycon atom bomb mix. How we are doing the mixings. Now, what are the ingredients we are using with on that one. Now you will do that yellow capsicum 1 spoon and ginger and red capsicum and green capsicum, chopped onion, chopped garlic also, and chopped coriander, chopped chili, little bit of turmeric powder and garam masala, little salt also. With that we will put chaat masala and roasted jeera powder, and paneer also we will put together. Paneer, for that mixing, and cheese also here put little Amul cheese, and boiled potato mashed and kept it ready, that one also add together. And breadcrumbs, corn flour little bit, and then maida also little bit. Now we'll do the mixing. You have to mix it well. I put all the ingredients: bell peppers, chopped onion, chopped garlic, breadcrumbs with boiled potato, that one we mashed and kept it ready. So now mixing is almost ready. Almost mixing is ready. Mixing is ready. Now we will do for this one like that. Hold. We already that boiled baby corn is ready. That one we will do like that and stuff inside that baby corn. Like that we will make it paneer baby corn atom bomb. Now paneer baby corn atom bomb is ready. Because of time being, I made it like that before 3 pieces. That also I will take and fry, because of we are doing 2 dishes on short time. I hope all are know about how to make that paneer baby corn atom bomb mixing like that. Now you will see paneer baby corn atom bomb mixing is ready. That this we will do the frying, this one. So already in the start time on the oil also, that one now getting ready. Now we will do the deep frying that paneer baby corn atom bomb. Now we will put the oil one by one. Oil already heated. This is very good snacks for the evening time also, as well as in the midnight time. See, it will get golden brown color, then we will take out from the fire. It is only 5 to 10 minutes, it will take the time. Boiled potato with Amul paneer and Amul cheese. Within that, all the vegetables, whichever vegetables in your home available, with availability you can do. One by one we will fry and take it out from the fire. This is very nice snacks for the midnight. It's very healthy also, because of we are putting bell peppers with the potato also having the starch content. Now almost ready. Like that, golden brown color came. After that we remove the paneer babigan atambam. Like that we will fry and put it aside, and we will put another piece. In between time we will do the plating also. Now second piece also we remove from the fire, and we will put the third piece of that paneer babigan atambam. You see, like that garnish if you do, so all the guests are like, whenever in your home any guest is coming, and that time you made it like that, that beetroot with on that I made that leafy one, and then with the radish I made it that flower, the 4-leaf flower, and with the leaf. Like that we have to put the garnish for the plating, and then we place the paneer babigan atambam on top. Now you see, like that we will place the paneer babigan atambam, and one more piece also getting to ready. I hope all are seeing in this recipe you will made it in your home and enjoy it in this paneer baby corn atom bomb. Like that we will put it in the strainer. Now we will place the plating. See, this look very nice and taste is also very yummy with the garnish and with the paneer and baby corn atom bomb. I hope all are enjoying it in these snacks, that midnight snacks, and we will go for next dish. Then now we will do for that cheesy sizzling cheesy carrot wraps. Now we will take for one bowl for the mixing that carrot wraps. Now we will take the for the sizzling cheesy carrot wraps. We have to make the same like chapati. We have to make the wraps. Put the atta, wheat flour, and then we put the little amount of salt, and that, and little amount of maida also. And then I already made the carrot juice. We'll put the carrot juice on that one. Then we have to mix it well. Salt, refined flour, and all-purpose flour also we can say. With the dough we mix it well. If we need some more amount of carrot juice also we can add on that one. Yes, all we know carrot is good for health, and within that we made the dough for that sizzling cheesy wraps. Now almost that dough is getting ready. You have to mix it well. Then you have to give the rest for at least 10 minutes. You have to give the rest for 10 minutes. In between time you have to make it that stuffing. For that inside stuffing, now that one we will make it and that 10 minutes. That also same ingredient only. Now you see that dough is getting ready. You have to mix it well. Okay, we will give for rest. We will give for rest. Little oil also will put. Like that. Now we will keep it for rest, and in between time we will made it that mixing, a stuffing, whichever things we need that. For that we pour little amount of oil, little amount of oil. With on that we'll take the garlic, little saute, then we add the onion. You can slice the onion also. You can slice the onion and slice the bell pepper. Now I am adding with that chopped green capsicum and red capsicum and little amount of ginger also we put together, and with that we add the yellow capsicum and little chilli, because normally in Indian we have it with chilli, and little amount of coriander. Now almost this is ready, because of we already made the dough. That one we keep aside for rest. In between time, like that we get ready for all nizamlas, like that vegetables, colorful vegetables and healthy vegetables. With on that we saute it little. And now we will put the paneer. And potato also little amount, not much more, neither potato. Now almost that mixing also, that sizzling cheesy carrot wraps mixing also almost half cooked done. Because of that potato also we boil it and grate and get it ready, that one. Now we will add the masalas. Little bit of garam masala, roasted jeera powder, and turmeric powder, salt also, and crushed pepper. And little amount of chaat masala. Now mix it well. We'll change the mixing. Now almost cooked. Now we will change bowl for mixing. Now sizzling cheesy carrot wraps ka stuffing ready. Now we are going to make that wraps ka roti. Sizzling cheesy carrot wraps ka stuffing. Now we will make the roti for that wraps. You see, dough is very soft. Now we will make the roti. Switch on the fire and put the non-stick tawa pan. Now we will make the roti. Like that beda will do same like chapati. You can made it. So chota piece. We will made it with the refined flour for the tester. We are taking. Ready? That so normally if you are giving the chapati and that your child are not like to have, but within that stuffing and all, if you made it in your home like this with the healthy vegetables, and that time they like to have, and that is very healthy also. And within that you can make it lots of variety of stuffing also. In the base of beetroot wrap, in the base of palak wrap, in the base of coriander wraps, in the base of like that chapati we made it, and then we will put it in the tawa. Now you see this one we are going to made it that sizzling cheesy carrot wrap के लिए wrap. Now we will change the. No need to cook more because of second also we are going to do that one. In between time we will made it. This is the way we are going to cook the wraps seed. See. In between time we will do one thing. So because of we are going to do the sizzler dish, so that's why now I am going to heat the hot plate. Now almost roti is ready. Now we already made the dough. with mixing. How you have to roll that one, I show you now. Now you see like that, we'll made it. And little corn flour also we have to take it. For the testing purpose. We already made the mixing. Within that we are going to stuff on that one. Like that you will do in small wraps. Like that, and then we place the cheese on top. Cheese on top. Like that. If you want more cheese, you can add. Like that. We have to fold. Then you have to fold like that. Then you already made that corn flour ka dust. That done you have to apply on that corner. Then you have to stick it well and then roll it well. Like that we will do for the rolling. Now our roll is ready. Because of time being, I made the rolls is ready. Like that we will make the for the how to make the roll. For that now I made it in front of you all. Before on that one, because of time being, because of 30 minutes we are doing the 2 dishes, so that's why I made it before. Same like that, mixing inside and same like that you can made it in our home. And then we already heated the plate, that is a plate. Now we are going to do this roll. Need to put little oil, heat on the tawa or non-stick pan. Like that we put little amount of oil. Then we will put that wraps. Whichever we are going to do, that one neatly garnish and place the table. It will be I appeal to the customer. This one I am going to place the sizzle plate. Within that wooden plate we are serving for the cheesy carrot wraps. Now this also I will do the plating. How we have to do in our home, I show you. See, we have to cook it well, like that wraps. Okay, now almost that wraps is ready. Now we will cut the wrap. Like that. And then wraps is ready. like that. Then we place the this one we have to place like that. I already told like that, cabbage leaf or banana leaf you put like that, and then you place the cheesy carrot wraps like that, and then I already made the sauce for that one with the bell peppers, onion, green chilli and everything together. Now we will do the that plating is very important. Now you will see this sauce we made it with that pepper tomato sauce with the tomato, garlic, onion and chopped bell peppers with green chilli chop put together and salt and pepper put together. We made the sauce in this one. I already made the recipe card, that one you will see. You see like that. That is a very nice snacks for in the midnight also, in the evening also. Now we will do for little amount on top. It will be get smoky. Like that we will do. You put on butter like that and the down. You see like that. Almost ready. That cheesy carrot wraps with on that paneer baby corn atom bomb. I hope all are enjoying in these two dishes, paneer baby corn atom bomb and then the cheesy carrot wraps. I hope all are enjoying in this midnight snacks program. I really thankful for Amul management as well as our management from Golden Landmark Resort. Thank you for all. Thank you. Good night.